Alright y'all, so in the last video, it's a truck going by. So in the last video, I showed you my rates and hold on. So last video I did, the one that was literally like 2 minutes ago before this, I just changed the battery. I showed you my rates and my Expo set at 0. I did that flight sitting down, so now I'm gonna try standing up, see how that go, because standing up, if you know, is much harder. I don't know why. Well, I do know why. It's because you have less contact with the ground. You gotta balance yourself and fly. I don't ever really do that. I always like lean up against something. Normally my truck, I lean up against it. Well, I'm gonna lean up against it this time too, but I'm gonna do it standing up. Still different than sitting down. But we're gonna try it again, see how that go, and let's get right to it. don't know if y'all can tell that in the video, but I can feel it. That was much less controlled, and it was a lot of me just really saving myself from crashing, really, to tell you the truth. Because I don't think about none of this stuff. I just kind of fly. I'm looking 50 feet in front of me at all times, and a little bit to the left and a little bit to the right. But that's all I focus on. Just try not to touch nothing. That's really... let me unplug the drone, and then I can slow down a little bit. So that's really just the goal of it, at least for me it is. Just don't touch nothing. Fly, have fun. Try not to touch nothing. The ground, none of that metal, especially that metal. It'll break your drone. What else was I gonna say? I don't really think about this stuff. I just kind of do it. But oh yeah, in my last video I was like, none of that stuff matter. I wasn't saying that to like put down nobody. They'd be asking people rates and all of that. What I was saying, what I meant by it was, when you practice it enough and you get good enough and comfortable enough with it, no matter what change you make, you'll still be able to figure it out and adjust to it within the first couple seconds of the flying. I say the first minute or so, maybe the first pack for some. At least that's how it is for me. I just do this every single day, so it's starting to become natural to me. I've been flying drones for 1 year and exactly 5 months, and I've done it almost every single day with the exception of maybe 10 days out of that whole entire time. And the reason I couldn't do that either was because I was working or it was raining too bad. But other than that, every single day, even on rainy days, I fly my little tiny whoop in the house. But yeah, that's it. Just want to make sure I don't have people jumping in it. Well, I only get a few comments and have a few followers, but I appreciate the 225 subscribers that I do have. I just want to make sure y'all know I'm not putting none of y'all down that ask people what's their rates and all of that stuff. I'm just saying, if you get good enough and you practice enough, none of that stuff matters, because you'll overcome it no matter what. High rates, low rates, high expo, no expo, none of it's gonna matter when you're good enough. You'll overcome it. That's really about it. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Appreciate y'all for watching. Thanks.